to you a review, unboxing, unveil of a really special bag to me. This bag comes, as you see from the title already, from the 2015 Nemeth men's collection, and it is the Nemeth Nil PM. I have received this bag in this dust bag and in the bag in the box. I have found it for it was on somebody was selling it for what it originally retailed at, which was 1,500 euro, and I have made an offer on that. And with a bit further going back and forward, we have agreed with the seller on something which was acceptable for me. So I have picked up this bag, and I'm really excited to show it to you guys, because I missed out on everything from the Nemeth collection. I actually had the opportunity to pick up the Volga, but when I saw it in store once on a business trip in 2015 in Warsaw, I was hesitant to pick it up and I regretted it ever since. This one was at that time out of my price range, and I never actually thought I'm gonna be owning it. So without further ado guys, let's look at the bag and go a little bit around with the features of this bag. So the bag model is Nil, which is an older Louis Vuitton model, and it's basically a camera bag. As you can see, this one is in Damier graphite, and it does feature the Nemeth rope detailing on the canvas. Here is the clochette. Inside is the key for the lock, which is hanging off the back here, as you can see. What also came with this bag was a luggage tag, which is included here. I must say everything was included with this bag as it came from the store. Also the original receipt. This bag actually was purchased in Louis Vuitton store in Hamburg. Now to the features of the bag. It has one front pocket, as you can see here, with a zip, with a very sturdy zip. And what I like about this bag also, it has a really nice, as you can see here, leather lining or leather piping all around the pocket here. And here it is. It has one main compartment on the top, like this. And it has one slip compartment in the back, as you can see here. This one is not closable, so you have to be careful to put anything here, so it might slip out of it and you might lose it. That said, I would mostly put my valuables in the front zip compartment. The smaller one here, this is way big enough to put in a pocket, phone, your wallet, and then the large compartment could easily store a water bottle or an iPad mini, I would say, but not larger than that though. The strap is made out of canvas in Damier graphite, as you can see here, and is permanently attached to the bag, so there is no way to remove it, as you can see. So there is no clips, it's permanently attached to the bag, which is okay for me. There we go. This is how it looks like. So it's I would say quite a generous size, this bag, and it's perfect for a daily bag if you plan to use it without taking, you know, let's say a computer or something like that with yourself. That said, other than that, wallet and the other daily essentials plus a water bottle can easily fit in here. The strap is adjustable for length. There. I think it's just a gorgeous piece, a great collaboration on a timeless silhouette from Louis Vuitton. So I'm very happy to add this to my current collection. There ain't much more I can say about this bag, aside from that I'm really happy to have it. There. The bottom is out of canvas, as you can see. There is nothing extraordinary. Aside from that, there is a lot of details. The zippers are very chunky LV zippers, as you can see them here. And of course they zip very easily, as in the traditional Louis Vuitton fashion. Zip the small compartment up. There. If you have any question about this bag, do let me know down in the comments, and as always, hit the like button if you liked my video and subscribe if you haven't done that yet. I'm dropping videos here and there, mostly on Louis Vuitton and also some other brands, so keep an eye out in the future. There. That's all from me, guys. There. Have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now. Ciao.